Okay, today's property tour is in the community of Solas. There's only 20 condos in this project, and this one is in the second building, unit 204. There's 3 towers in total, and it's located in the tourist corridor. And this is branded residences with the luxury collection. I'm gonna flip the camera and we'll go and walk through the unit.
There are no neighbors on this floor. None. Unit 204 at Solaz takes the entire level. And that changes everything. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a living space where every window frames the Sea of Cortez. But the real secret is out here. A terrace that wraps the whole residence, ending at a private jacuzzi hanging over the waves. Downstairs, a 5-star resort you own a piece of. Spa, pools, private beach. So be honest, could you ever go back to a normal home after this?
It's an elevator building. You come up and this is the front door. There is the powder room. High quality finishes. You see the marble wall, marble sink, very contemporary style. This is the foyer. And coming through, we have the living room. Same marble wall. These are great vacation rental units because it has all the hotel amenities of the Solas, several swimming pools, and also a private swimming pool for the residences. This is the outdoor covered terrace, huge terrace, and you'll see the resort, which is the hotel. You see this wall right here, that's the division between the private residences and the hotel. And there's a gate down below. And that's the private swimming pool for the residences. Beach access gate right there. And fully furnished outdoor covered terrace. Right now, I am walking in the southerly direction. That's Chileno Point right there. And it's a wraparound terrace connecting all 3 of the bedrooms. There's a primary bedroom right here, guest bedroom 2, guest bedroom 3, and there's a jacuzzi at the end of this terrace. Looks like a 4-person jacuzzi, and these have miles of beachfront viewing. We're gonna come back through to the main part of the house, and then we'll see the bedrooms at the end. What's great is the unit has floor to ceiling doors and windows. So it really opens up and allows a lot of natural light. You see the dining table can seat 10 people. You have the open floor plan kitchen, the breakfast bar, very sleek and clean kitchen. The laundry room, extra storage. And then this is the foyer again. And we'll see the guest bedrooms and finish in the primary. Guest bedroom number 1, which has direct access to that jacuzzi hot tub, the ensuite bathroom, shower, and toilet, all the built-in closets. Take a look at the closets. See, lights turn on when you open the doors. All the linens really set up for a vacation rental. 2 double beds. This might be queen. Drop a comment. Do these look like double beds or queen beds. Not quite sure. Little work area. TV. Yeah. So this is guest bedroom number 2. The ensuite bathroom, much like the first one. The shower, toilet, built-in closets. All the natural marble. And the floors are marble also. All the bedrooms walk out to the wraparound terrace, all with an ocean view. Double beds, once again. If you like these property tours, today we're at the Solas. Make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you're interested in similar properties like this or other properties or communities in Baja California Sur. The Cabo real estate market's very dynamic and diverse, all different price points. The price points here range from $4 to $5 million, and we're going into the primary right now. And the bathroom is a double vanity sink. The difference with the primary is a separate tub and shower. Let's take a look at the shower. Got the rain shower. And it won't turn on. There it is. Look at that. Imagine taking a shower, looking at the ocean. It has these louvered blinds. Very nice. We'll turn off the water. Makeup area for the women. Toilet. Have a wall of built-in closets. All these are cabinets with key and lock, so the owners can lock off their private possessions if it's being rented. This area gives you an idea of the lighting. TV in all the bedrooms. King size bed. I know this is a king size bed. Little desk area, seating area, connecting once again to the wraparound terrace, all with ocean views. The ease and maneuverability of these sliding doors are really nice. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to open and close these doors. They come all the way back. Very nice. Opening up all the sliders in the living, the bedrooms, all this indoor, outdoor living area. You're around 5,000 square feet inside and outside. You can hear the ocean. Coming back through to the foyer entrance, and just imagine having your morning coffee sitting right here. It's cool. Back here in the kitchen you have all these windows and you can look upon the resort. It's the Sordo Madaleno design hotel. You see very natural desertscape. The roofs of the buildings have these desert gardens on top of them. So very organic, very cool looking architecture, very neat. And so if a contemporary design property, turnkey, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bedroom, oceanfront community is of interest, this is definitely a property to come and take a look at. This is Solas 204.